Wake up, Leo, rise and shine. The morning sun feels warm and fine. Today's the day, it's finally here. Your first big school day of the year. Brushy brush from side to side. Open your mouth nice and wide. Minty bubbles, fresh and clean. The brightest smile you've ever seen. Mom makes toast and pours your juice. She smiles and gives your shoes a spruce. School's for learning, fun and play. You'll make new friends along the way. Backpack on, sneakers bright. Step by step, your heart feels light. The yellow bus is just ahead. Adventures calling, no more bed. Away for mom, a smile so wide. You climb aboard and sit inside. The wheels go round, the engine hums. A brand new chapter now begins. Through the doors with banners high. The halls are bright, the walls say hi. Your feet go tap, your eyes go wide. So many wonders wait inside. ABCs and numbers too. Stories, songs, and something new. You raise your hand, you laugh, you learn. For school is full of things to earn. A rocket built with blocks so tall. A giggle shared, you've made a pal. Side by side, the fun won't end. It's easy now to call them friend. Down the slide and through the swing. Joy is such a happy thing. The ball is kicked, the sun is high. The laughter echoes to the sky. The bus returns, you're running fast. Straight to mom, a hug at last. I love school, mom, you proudly say. I can't wait to go back and play. So here's to Leo, brave and true. The first of many days for you. With friends and dreams, the year looks bright. Hooray for school and sweet dreams tonight. Sing along and travel far. Around the world, no plane or car. From A to Z, come learn with me in this ABC world.